Hi, my name is Gary Garnett, and today I'm going to show you exactly how you can learn everything you need to know about marketing online and do it absolutely for free. I'm going to take you inside Armin Morin's Marketing University and show you how he's made hundreds of millions of dollars as a coach, software developer, and marketing expert. Plus, the students have made hundreds of millions more from his mentoring. So we're inside the membership site right now. First thing you're going to want to do is click here to watch the videos. It's going to take you on a more in-depth tour of everything involved in this membership site. Then you're going to want to join the Facebook group. Then you probably want to watch the latest weekly trainings. And if you go over here, it'll show you the calendar, which is on Wednesdays. And if you want to watch it live, you just click on live stream page, or you can come back here and you can watch them when they've already been done. If you click on there, there's all the weekly trainings. There's 60 to 90-minute trainings. There's 12 on this page, but there's 56 pages, so there's actually about 670 weekly trainings. Now I'll go back to the main page, and here's the Marketing University library, which is basically the meat and potatoes of the whole membership site. There's over 108 courses in here. You can click on here, and they're all between 2 hours and 3-day long courses. They're really intensive courses. Everything you could ever want are explained in these courses. Now, if you click on select course strategies or categories, for example, out of those 108 courses, if you're interested in advertising, 30 of them will have something to do with advertising. And there they all are. Okay. Click back again. Now, I'm going to recommend 2 courses here that you should definitely look at to begin with. One of them is Bing. There's 2 courses on Bing and they're pretty easy to get fairly reasonable traffic. The other one is a 30x strategy. It's got all kinds of things that you can do to get traffic, like it shows you how to get hooked up with LinkedIn and YouTube, how you can get first page ranking of YouTube videos. And the interesting thing is that he's made a piece of software that will make thousands, like 100,000 pages, opt-in pages that will be search engine optimized. And what Armin has done is he said that if you try and get one keyword and one page to rank for that one keyword, it's going to take you months and lots of money to get it ranked for first place. But if you say make 30 or 40 or 50,000 pages, opt-in pages, all ranked for different keywords, if you only get one click on each keyword, you're getting a lot more traffic and you're going to make a lot more money. So that's something I've never seen anybody else do before, is be able to rank opt-in pages. So that's something I'd highly recommend that you look at. Okay, now we're going to go back to dashboard. He's got monthly website critiques where he'll go over your website. You just apply, and if you get selected, then he'll go through your website and tell you what's good and bad about it. Another interesting thing is this Traces Magazine. Click on here, and it goes all the way back to, I think, 2009. This one here is March 2025 when I'm doing this video. Actually, it's almost April now. But if you scroll down here, you'll see the first issue was April 2009. So there's some really good information in there. Okay, so this is really fantastic information that everybody can use about how to market online. He's made millions and millions of dollars online, and this is all his membership site with all his training. And now I'm going to show you how you can get that training for free. Okay, we're going to go to his Equalizer marketing site, the world's first earn while you learn training program teaching everything you need to know to create your very own highly profitable business. And there's a lot of information here. Scroll down here, here's the picture of Armin. He's done worldwide seminars and events. He's an original internet marketer online since 1996. And I've been fortunate enough to have generated hundreds of millions of dollars through the various businesses, seminars, and products I've created. What's even more important for you to know is that I've taught hundreds of thousands of people just like you to build their own successful businesses as well. And many of the top marketers use Armin Morin to increase their sales or learn how to make their business bigger. So here's all the stuff that I showed you. It's training, weekly training, get access to his seminars. He's got a vacation program, Traces Magazine. You even get a t-shirt when you join. And here's some tools which I didn't show you inside the membership. Rank all your videos to the top of YouTube in less than 5 minutes. There's a custom piece of software that shows you how to make opt-in pages, or also webinars. There's a really cool piece of software in there that makes you a series of email messages. You just put your name and what the product is about, and it makes a bunch of emails for you. And here's the interesting part. It's part 2, earn while you learn. So what he's doing here is he's giving you free access to all of his marketing membership stuff, and you can just use that for your own marketing. Or if you want to, you can join his affiliate program and start making money with your very own business, just promoting his membership program. So you can earn $50 a month per member. If you have 10 members, you can make $400 a month. If you had 100 members, you can make $4,000 a month, and so on and so on. So this is what you can get. He's going to give you 2 weeks free membership into everything that he's got in his marketing university. And that usually sells for $97 a month for the bronze membership. And you get a bunch of things here. But when you join through this page, you get the silver membership for only $97. You get all these things: Traces Vacation Program, free tickets to complete his seminars, weekly training, monthly seminars, existing courses, and you get one Pageable, which is his website building software, monthly critiques. So he's giving you 2 different things. You can get this marketing university and use it for your own marketing, or you can join his affiliate program and sell this and start your own online business. So we're going to scroll down here to the very bottom, and you can see the cost to join today is $0 for 14 days. And then it's going to be billed $97 a month after that. So $97 is quite a bit of money, and it took me a while to join. But when I joined and saw everything that was inside, I realized that this is way better than all the shiny objects I've been buying over the years. This is a real first-class coach with some excellent marketing, and it'd be foolish not to join it for 14 days just to take a look around and look at things like Bing or the 30X strategy, and look at the stuff, decide if it's worth it, and then you can decide whether you want to continue with it or just use the information that you've gotten over the 2 weeks. So anyway, that's about it for this. Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully you find something worthwhile inside this site. Thanks a lot.